This is a short video showing the DC system of the 909 generators. All of the generators except for the A750 are fitted with a full regulated DC output. This varies from most other generators where the output of the DC is just a rectified DC supply. On this unit, the 12 volts, the output of the DC, is fully regulated. It is current limited to 5 amps, so no matter what happens, it will not provide any more than 5 amps output. Now, most other generators have an 8 amp cut-off supply, so the 5 amps that we are providing is an assurity that it will provide a good output for all lead-acid batteries for cars, and also be able to operate most 12 volt appliances which are used in the cigarette lighter of a car. There's two separate outputs for the 12 volts, and that is one for charging and one for running appliances. This sort of generator is a 240 volt AVR control generator, and I would be very reluctant to operate this generator, along with many others on the market, on my good Engel fridge. However, with the 12 volt supply that we have provided on this unit, it will run the Engel fridge with no problems at all. I'll just start the generator up. We can have a look at a few of these operations. The 12 volt appliance outlet is this one here. It's a cigarette lighter type socket. It's only a matter of plugging in like so, and we have here a fluorescent tube operating quite nicely on this unit. We can operate that to a spotlight, like so. Maximum output is 55 watts, around about 5 amps. Often while camping and so on, we have to use a pump for pumping up tyres. Again, no problem. Now, directly below the accessory output is the charging socket. So it's a matter of connecting up the clips to the battery and inserting the plug. So this battery is now charging. Now, this is a very important cycle, especially those who want to go camping, because we can charge this battery up without any problems, or most other car batteries as well. There are many other generators when they're charging large batteries, the battery will accept a very, very high current, and with the cutouts limited to 8 amps, then constantly the small DC cutout prevents charging. On this unit, because the electronics is current limited to 5 amps, it will continually put 5 amps into this battery, no more. So our safety cutout here will not trigger. So we can safely and happily charge that battery without any problem. Another feature of this unit is we can run on the electronics of a DC our Engel fridge. At the moment, our Engel fridge is now operating, and we're also charging the battery. At night, in most campsites, they don't like generators running. So provided we've been running the charging system, and we've got our Engel fridge nice and cold, off, and the Engel fridge continues to run under the power of the battery. Just to show you that it's still on. And there it is. System also has a 5-volt USB power outlet that can be used for charging some mobile phones, small batteries, iPods, computer games, anything at all that requires the 5-volt USB power. This is able to provide. The maximum output is 1 amp, so we'll do these without any problems at all. These batteries are now charging. Same thing, you turn the generator off and the battery will backfeed through again and also operate the 5-volt USB. So that's the DC system on all of the 909 generators fitted with DC. They're all the same, they all do the same function. Even the small little 2-stroke G800, that also has exactly the same system, exactly the same DC, and is able to run appliances like this, or any of these other ones, or any other appliance which you're able to plug into your cigarette lighter in your car up to a maximum power outlet of 55 watts.